IMPASSE. Meghan bent out of shape as Piers Morgan slams her cruel manipulator following court win. Piers Morgan has launched into another rant at Meghan Markle following her landmark win in her privacy case against the publisher of the Mail on Sunday. The former Good Morning Britain presenter criticised the Duchess of Sussex for her statement and called her a manipulative piece of work as well as vicious adjectives like fork-tongued. The 40-year-old mum of two was elated when she won her appeal in the case, which followed on from the publication's decision to publish extracts of Meghan's private letter to her father Thomas Markle, 77, in 2018. In a powerful statement, Meghan said her win was a victory not just for me, but for anyone who has ever felt scared to stand up for what's right. The Duchess had won her case earlier this year, but the publisher brought an appeal arguing in a 3-day hearing in November that the case should go to a full trial. Throughout the privacy case there had been a number of bombshell moments, from the news that Meghan drafted the letter to her dad knowing that it could be leaked to claims that she and Harry did help the authors of Finding Freedom. However, Piers has hit back at Meghan, mocking her for impersonating some kind of latter-day Winston Churchill rallying a nation in wartime, rather than an unemployed actress fleecing her unelected marital royal status for gazillions from her California mansion. In his column in the Mail, Piers refers to the claim that Meghan had called her father Thomas Markle daddy in the letter to pull on heartstrings if it were to be leaked. Jason Knauf, who was communications secretary to Meghan and Harry until March 2019, said the Duchess had indicated to him in August of the previous year that she recognized it was possible that her father would make the letter public. Mr. Knauf said in his written evidence, she also asked a specific question regarding addressing Mr. Markle as daddy in the letter, saying given I've only ever called him daddy it may make sense to open as such, despite him being less than paternal, and in the unfortunate event that it leaked it would pull at the heartstrings. Piers says, I regret to say that when I read that ruthlessly cynical little gem, my heartstrings remained resolutely unmoved but a small piece of repulsed intestinal fluid spat out of my mouth. All in all, the Mail on Sunday published 5 articles that contained parts of the personal and private letter, and Meghan sued the publisher for breach of privacy and copyright. The Duchess had won her case earlier this year, but Associated Newspapers Limited brought an appeal arguing that the case should go to a full trial during the 3-day hearing last month. The publisher argued that the Duchess had written the letter to her estranged father with potential public consumption in mind, but lost the appeal. There has been plenty of controversy throughout the case, with the claims that Meghan drafted the letter to her dad knowing that it could be leaked. It was also revealed that the Duke and Duchess of Sussex assisted the authors of their biography Finding Freedom. Meghan apologized for failing to remember that she authorized a senior aide to brief authors Omid Scobie and Caroline Durand. In a statement in the Court of Appeals, Meghan said she had forgotten an email exchange between her and former press secretary Jason about the book. Piers added in his column that the court case has allowed the public to see what the real Meghan looks like, fork-tongue and all. As he added, it's not a pretty sight. Before that, Piers Morgan has called out Meghan Markle on social media this morning, referencing his exit from Good Morning Britain. Piers Morgan, 56, quit his role on Good Morning Britain in March after he refused to apologize for comments he made about Meghan Markle, 40. The broadcaster has since reacted to BBC Two's documentary The Princes and Press, which focuses on Prince Harry and Prince William's relationship with the media. Taking to Twitter today, Piers reacted to Meghan's lawyer who addressed particular claims about the royals during the programme. But the legal professional added she didn't want to negate other people's personal experiences. Piers suggested that the same claim made was the reason behind him no longer being a part of GMB. He tweeted, "Reminder, denying someone's lived experience of being mistreated was why I had to leave at GMB.